Thank you to Emmett and Bill, the entire OIS team, and Healthegy for giving us the opportunity to present today. CorneaGen is a mission-driven company, with that mission being the elimination of corneal blindness by the year 2040. The primary pathway to achieving that mission is continually innovating and driving the next generation of cornea care. So our forward-looking statements here. I'm excited to be here with you today to announce the closing of our Series B round. As a mission-driven commercial company, funding is critical to allowing us to fund the innovation that needs to come to the cornea market. By closing this round with 3 high-quality investors, we're able to really focus on some of the key opportunities in front of us. Investors like Flying L, led by Bill Link, Falcon Vision, which is a platform that was created by KKR to really advance innovation in ophthalmology. And for us, to have their vote of confidence and support has been very, very positive. And then lastly, Petrichor Healthcare Capital Management, another experienced group of investors have come to the table to really help move us forward. In addition to the $37 million equity investment, we also have a $25 million debt vehicle that we can access from Petrichor to make sure that we have the capital to get where we want to go. I have to compliment all 3 of these firms for the incredible amount of engagement that they've already shown in helping us move the organization and our mission forward. So one of the primary uses of funds from our Series B round is going to be the advancement of cornea cell therapy. This is a novel approach to treating corneal endothelial disease. And so currently we are moving forward with getting approval in Japan, and then we're going to begin the approval process here in the US with the FDA. Commercialization of this cell therapy will help alleviate up to 50% of the corneal blindness across the globe. And we believe that we can drive this over the next 10 years across the globe. So far, we know through the early processes of developing this technology that we will be able to treat 100+ patients. This is a game changer in the corneal world. I liken it to thinking of going from extra cap to phaco in the cataract world. That's how much this is going to change the practice of medicine in cornea and really open up access for patients across the globe. So what do we know already? We have impressive clinical trial results so far through 3 phases of trials in Japan. 100% of the patients reported clear corneas post-procedure. 100%. Additionally, the early phase 1 and phase 2 patients have demonstrated continued efficacy through the 4- and 5-year time period. All of these patients continue to have healthy and clear corneas. So it's very exciting for us to build on this science as we move forward. So we're not stopping there. We continue to work with surgeons to provide innovative products, and sometimes that includes improving products that we already have. This year, we've provided 2 updates to key products that we provide, one being the amphotericin B additive to help reduce the incidence of fungal infection in cornea storage media. We've been able to increase the concentration from 0.255 up to 2.5, really adding to the safety of patients having endothelial keratoplasty procedures when corneas are stored in storage media with amphotericin B. Also, we were able to update our goiter preloaded glass cannula, helping make the process of VMEC much, much more solid for surgeons, helping them to control the OR time and get reproducibility of excellent results. So we've been able to do this, innovate, and continue to raise money while also maintaining steady growth. 22.9% CAGR on the revenue line over the past 3 years. That has been driven in large part by a 15.3% CAGR relative to tissue provided for transplant. And so we have an organization, a management team, a board of directors that is used to growing and driving growth, and we're excited to now incorporate what cell therapy can bring to the future of the company. So why do we do this? Well, one of the key components of maintaining our growth and achieving the potential of our organization is going to be supporting corneal surgeons. Today, we deliver the highest quality of tissue they need for cornea transplants, but we need to continue to provide them the latest products and services for corneal care. Part of that is continually enhancing and building access to education that allows surgeons to really take these innovations and get them into the OR and benefiting their patients. So providing wet labs, webinars, and other live demos for the surgeons and enhancing our education portfolio is something we'll continue to do. And then critical in eliminating corneal blindness is going to be continued advocacy for the patient access to the kind of treatments that will help them go from being blind cornea patients to having their sight restored. So I want to thank you for the opportunity to share today and invite you all to visit our booth, booth number 2135 on the floor at AAO. Thank you very much.